I was reading today in the book of Job, chapter 2. I want to encourage us today with the book of Job, chapter 2, verse 25, that says, "And I will restore back to you the years the cankerworm has eaten, the caterpillar worms, the palmer worms has eaten. The cankerworm, the caterpillar worm, and the palmer worms has eaten, and my people shall be satisfied and will not be ashamed." That's the word of God. God says He will restore unto us the years the cankerworm has eaten, the caterpillar, the palmer worm. Do you believe in it? Walk in that confidence. No matter what you go through, I have gone through things, and I held onto the word of God. God said, you said, Father, you said you're going to restore back to me the years the cankerworm has eaten, the caterpillar, the palmer worm, and I stood on that. I stood on that word. I kept on reminding Him. I kept on telling Him, Father, your word is true. You cannot lie. Because I believe you, I trust in that word. I held on to that word. I believed Him. And I saw the finger of God. So I'm encouraging us today, walk in that confidence. If God says He's going to restore, He's going to restore. It is written, when the thief is caught, He will restore back sevenfold. He will give the substance of His own house. And so when that word is written, and you hold on to that word, and run with that word, when you pray, Father, you said, when it is written, when the thief is caught, He's going to restore sevenfold, and He's going to give the substance of His house. I hold on to your word. I believe your word. I call it for that which the enemy has stolen from me. I command be restored back to me. I command Him to restore. I take back sevenfold. I take back to restore sevenfold. I take back the substance of His house. Everything that was stolen from me, I'm taking back. Because He said, when He's caught, He's going to release it. He's going to restore. And Father said He's going to restore. So I'm holding on to the word of God. And I go in prayer, I say, God will restore back to me the years the cankerworm has eaten, the caterpillar, the locust, the caterpillar worm has eaten. And when I hold on to that word, I run with it. I believe God, and I see His finger at work. So I'm encouraging us today. Trust in the Lord. Hold on to His promises. He will never fail you. If you believe that, type in the comment section, I trust in the Lord. Subscribe, like, share, and come back for more. God bless you.